Let's see if I can get this air-powered nozzle back together again. Let's see how it turned out. All right, well, unfortunately, no matter what setting I have this set at, even if I have the air belt set on high, the second that I put this on medium pile carpet, no matter what setting I put this on, it basically stops. So with the SEBO Airbelt, the airbelt, part of the airbelt, smelly, definitely smelly. So I'm going to see if I can't eliminate a little bit of that smell while I'm cleaning the Avalir tools. I think I'll start with this first though. It's smelly, and then get it drying as fast as I can. And I'm gonna hope that this foam piece doesn't disintegrate. That would actually be preferable. out of the tub now and all clean and dry the next day. Have the completely rebuilt Kirby toolkit. Everything's in there, no more junk coming out of the hose. So that is in great shape. Can't wait to start using that. And we need to put the Airbelt K2 Volcanoes belt back on. So I was wondering how well this would come out, and it's wonderful. So this did not disintegrate, and after a good soaking and squeezing with Persil, this is, well, just about like new, except for the obvious carbon dust emission staining, which, I mean, you won't see. So let's put this on. We'll start back here. Tiny adjustment. Okay, well, that was entertaining. So let's see how we did. Jeez. Okay, well, hopefully I don't have to do that too many times. And then put the clip on. Yay! Wow, that was a lot. But you know what? It looks a lot better. So compare it to when I first started this video. That isn't bad at all. That's nice. Okay, so I think we're in good shape. And I guess if you haven't seen this, there's this guy, right? Fits in here. That's kind of interesting. And to tell you something else that I did while I was at it, I noticed that the bag compartment itself was, well, it had a tiny bit of fine dust in it, and that's not bad. I got a date wheel in here. I think it says 2006. And this bag mechanism right here simply just wasn't moving that well. So when I would close this with the bag in, obviously. Jeez. When I would close this with the bag in, it was very hard to close. So I went ahead, and there's some guide rails right in here, and I lubricated all that. So now when I put the bag in, it closes much easier. Yeah, much less force. I was literally having to squeeze really, really hard, and now it's much easier because that mechanism had just become really rather sticky. Now I can move it with one finger So that's pretty good. So now I need to go and see if there's some HEPA bags for this. So it says Ultra Bag Airbelt K. Part number, well, here it says art number 6629. So that's what I need to do. Those will take a little while to come in. In the meantime, I can do some tests, although it won't be with a HEPA bag. So I think we are ready to go with the SEBO Airbelt and the Kirby Avalir tools. So stay tuned for all kinds of nifty stuff.